away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know, well, it could be my fault. I go for younger women, lived with several a while. Though I ran them away, they'll come back someday. I still can't manage a smile, just takes a while, just takes a while. It's those changes in latitude, changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. Through all of the islands and all of the highlands, we couldn't laugh, we could all go insane. It's those changes in latitude, changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. With all of our running and all of our cunning, if we couldn't laugh, we would all go insane. Just a wagging that tail, just a grinning that grin. Something about a dog makes her my best friend. Ain't it crazy how something seems like nothing at all? Take a big old room, make it seem so small. Seeing windows where there are walls makes a whole lot of something out of nothing at all. I go for younger women, lived with several a while. Though I ran them away, they'll come back someday. I still can't manage a smile, just takes a while, just takes a while. Mother, Mother Ocean, through all these years I've found my occupational hazard is that my occupation just is not around. I feel like I've drowned, gonna head uptown. Not Johanna's or bananas or daiquiris, an American creation on which I feed. Cheeseburger in paradise, medium rare with mustard be nice. Heaven on earth with an onion slice, I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. Not like mine with lettuce and tomato, Heinz 57 and French fried potatoes, baked kosher pickles and a cold draft beer. Well, good God Almighty, which way do I steer? We can go hiking on Tuesday. With you I'd walk anywhere. California has worn me quite thin. I just can't wait to see you again. Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I've spent 4 lonely days round LA haze. I just want you back by my side. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. No time to count just what I'm worth. I just left the planet Earth. Where I go, I hope there's rum, not to worry, monsoon comes. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. When it all ends, I can't fathom my friends. If I knew, I might toss out my anchor. So I cruise along, always searching for songs, not a lawyer. me for a banker, but a son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor, son of a gun. Load the last ton, I'm just one step ahead of the jailer. Just a son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor. The sea's in my veins, my tradition remains. I'm just glad I don't live in a trailer. Wrote a note, said be back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway. Mind on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't never gonna go away. 'Cause now I'm knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. This champagne shore washing over me. It's a sweet, sweet life, living by the salty sea. One day you could be lost at me. Change your geography, maybe you might be. She came down from Cincinnati, took her 3 days on the train, looking for some peace and quiet. Hope to see that sun again. Now she lives down by the ocean, taking care to look for sharks. They hang out in the local bars and they feed right after dark. Can't you feel them circling, honey? Can't you feel them swimming around? You got fins to your left, fins to your right, and you're the only bait in town. Oh, Saturday night and I ain't got nobody. Got some money 'cause I just got paid. How I wish I had someone to talk to. I'm in an awful way. Another fella told me he had a sister who looked so fine. Instead of being my deliverance, she had a strange resemblance to a cat named Frankenstein. Oh, on Saturday night and I ain't got nobody. Got some money 'cause I just got paid. How I wish I had someone to talk to. I'm in an awful way. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's my own damn fault. Yes, and some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's my own damn fault.